Okay, today we left the Upper Yard boondocking spot. It was really nice. We slept really good and got some baking done for Mark. We came down the Highway 1, stopped in Teslin. There was a museum there. We checked out a museum. Then we came up to Johnson's Crossing, and just after that, we took the 7 down to Teslin, and we're camped in the lake. We're boondocking at the lake in Teslin right now. Boondocking spot for the night. So we found this on our overlander. It was really nice. He's getting the truck warmed up right now. So, well, he's got the truck going, so I'll take onward and onward. Well, it's taken us 3 hours to get 100 miles. There's a lot of road construction and stuff, so it is what it is. With all the road construction, we already figured 39 miles an hour the whole trip. So don't plan on stuff, kind of make sure you get extra time, for sure.
Yeah, no doubt. It would be rough to
Keep
be on
a
a
schedule.
time schedule.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, we slept great last night. We're pretty refreshed.
Yeah.
That's about all that's going on today. Just a drive day. We might hit a museum later on.
And a restaurant.
Oh, Mark's starving. Well, we're almost to the next town. Drive, drive, drive. Construction, construction. But at least the scenery is absolutely gorgeous, so that's a plus.
Extreme dust. Reduce speed.
Oh, they got all the signs here.
Canadian topaz.
Wildlife Museum in Teslin. It's not that big, but they have very nice displays. Oh wow, look at that. Beaver and deer. This is what we've seen a lot of on the side of the road. These little black bears. We've seen a lot of them on the side of the road. Snowy owl. Oh, there's some caribou. We haven't seen them yet. Oh, and there's the big grizzly. Wow, those are big boys. And that's it. It's a small display, but it's very nice. There's some horns that got stuck together. There's a picture of them. Huh, interesting.
They both died. They were locked together.
Yeah, they ended up dying, I guess. Oh, there's some of those buffalo. They were huge on the side of the road. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and tell us what you think in the comments below.